Customizing the line items portion of your process reports. To modify a process report, go to the Setup tab and click on Process Reports. Choose the report you would like to modify and either double-click on it or highlight it and click the Modify button. The Line Items section of your process report is controlled by the Line Items tab in the Modify Report Layout window. The Line Item tab also has 4 tabs: General, Options, Messages, and Other. We will start by looking at the General tab. The Fields section of the General tab allows you to choose which headings or columns you would like to see on your process report. These are the sections that will be affected based on your changes. Checking or unchecking these boxes adds or subtracts a field from the report. The fields at the top of this list are the most commonly chosen to be displayed. If you highlight one field, properties of that field are shown to the right. For the field item name, the label will be product, the column width will be 2 inches, etc. The bottom portion shows the properties of the data to be displayed in that column. These properties may be changed by clicking on the Change button. The top portion of this window controls the headings you see on your process report, while the bottom portion controls how the displayed data appears. Reminder, we are looking at the product column in the Line Items section of your process report. You will change information here to change how the column headings and/or data is displayed. For example, if you would like to change how the column is labeled, change the entry next to label. The 2 width fields should remain equal so the column will line up properly. If you would like to add a border, use the drop-down menu next to Border. Note, adding a border here will only put an outline around the one heading you are working with, not around all of the headings together. The border color, text color, and background color are chosen in the last 3 fields. Let's look at the report again, then make some changes to see how this works. Right now, the heading Product has a blue font and has no individual border. The data displayed in this column is black and is not bold. The column has a width of 2 inches. Let's change the properties for this field, then preview the report again. We will change the label Product to Product Name, change the column width to 2.5, add a gray border, and change the text color to red. In the Data section, we will just make the text bold and change its color. Click OK to save your changes. The changes you made will appear here. Click the green arrow to view your changes in the process report. You will see your changes have been made. The Options tab within the Line Items tab controls how the option summary of each line item appears. This tab is only applicable for purchase orders, order confirmations, or invoices. We will edit it here, though, to see what it does. In the first drop-down menu, choose Show All Unreferenced Options below the respective line item. Then click the green arrow to preview. This adds a detailed description of each option and choice for each line item. Most retailers won't use this on quotes because the measurement options are shown. The Messages tab determines what messages, if any, will show up on your report. In order entry, shown here, the blue messages are notices and the red messages are errors. These messages will show up on your report depending on what you choose from this drop-down list. The Other tab determines which item descriptions show up for each line item. Your item descriptions show up here. For quotes, this is defaulted to show description 2, because this typically does not show measurement options. Order confirmations, purchase orders, or invoices are typically defaulted to show either show description or don't show the description.